At stake is control of a 100,000 square kilometre stretch of the Indian Ocean, with prospects of vast oil and gas deposits. Kenya says its maritime border should be drawn in a straight line east, parallel to the line of latitude. But Somalia says it should be expanded further south as an extension of its land border. The new boundary drawn by the court was closest to this line. Malcolm Webb has more from Nairobi.
The court has ruled largely in favour of Somalia, and the area of ocean in question, according to the court's ruling, mostly goes to Somalia, but a slither of it does go to Kenya. It's an area of sea that's widely believed to be rich in oil and gas deposits, and Kenya had actually given concessions to international oil companies to start exploring this area. That's what triggered this maritime border dispute in the first place. Kenya had already rejected the jurisdiction of the court before the ruling. It said it wasn't going to accept it, but the court had said that Kenya can't retroactively pull out of the court's jurisdiction, which it had signed up to in the 1960s. So Kenya's legal obligation to uphold the ruling still stands. The question is, what are each of these countries going to do next? Somalia has now a strong position with this court ruling to seek diplomatic support from the United Nations, from the Security Council. Kenya's position is weaker, but it certainly depends on what two countries choose to do and what their allies choose to do. And certainly important to remember that there are international oil companies and foreign governments that are behind each of the countries' respective interests in extracting the wealth from the natural resources beneath the sea.